Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you want warm, durable, and dependable gloves for hitting the slopes this season, this video is for you. Today, we're going over the top 5 best snowboard gloves selected for their insulation, grip, weather resistance, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Starting at number 1, we've got the Hestra Army Heli glove. This is a premium option built for riders and mountain users who need serious protection in rough winter conditions, not just something for casual walk-around use. The backhand uses a tough synthetic shell, while the palm and fingers are reinforced with durable leather, giving you a strong combination of grip, abrasion resistance, and weather protection. That mix helps block wind and moisture while still letting your hands breathe so they don't feel swampy on long days. Inside, the insulation is thin but efficient, trapping warmth without turning the glove into a stiff brick. Even when conditions get damp, the glove does a solid job of holding heat so your fingers stay usable on the chairlift and in the lift line. The 5-finger design keeps your dexterity intact, so you can tighten bindings, adjust straps, or grab gear without pulling the gloves off every few minutes. A removable liner system adds flexibility for changing weather, letting you swap or dry liners between sessions. Next up, at number 2, is the MORXPLOR Insulated glove. This one is all about giving you dependable warmth and handy features at a more accessible price point. It uses 3M Thinsulate insulation in a mid-weight level that keeps your hands warm in typical resort conditions while avoiding excess bulk, so you can still hold poles, adjust zippers, or handle your board. A waterproof membrane sits behind the outer shell to block snow and slush from soaking through, while the multi-layer construction helps maintain breathability for longer sessions. One of the standout conveniences is the touchscreen-compatible fingertips, which allow you to quickly change tracks, check messages, or snap a photo without stripping off your gloves in the cold. Small zipper pockets on the backs of the gloves give you a place for keys, cards, or even a heat pack on extra cold days. An adjustable wrist strap and draw cord at the cuff help seal out spindrift and lock in warmth. Reinforced synthetic culms boost grip and durability when holding ski poles, grabbing the board, or carrying gear. And a soft white material on the thumb is a simple but useful touch in snowy, windy weather. Now at number 3, we have the SKYDEER Deerskin glove. This glove leans heavily into natural leather comfort combined with solid insulation. The palm is made from genuine deerskin, which tends to feel soft and broken in while still holding up well to regular use. It offers confident grip on tools, shovels, poles, and bindings, and it also helps absorb vibration and shock if you're doing more hands-on work in the cold. Inside, a layer of 3M Thinsulate insulation provides strong cold weather performance without turning the glove into a stiff, overbuilt mitt. The overall design uses multiple layers to balance warmth, waterproof protection, and comfort. A waterproof barrier helps keep snow and slush out, while an inner lining keeps things soft against your skin and manages moisture from sweat. That combination makes the glove useful not just for riding, but also for jobs like shoveling, snow blowing, or winter chores around the cabin. The fully waterproof build and insulated construction make it a dependable choice for people who want one glove that can cross over between work and play in cold, wet conditions. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the Kinko Pigskin glove. This is a classic work-style glove that's become a favorite among budget-conscious skiers, snowboarders, and lift workers. The shell uses pigskin leather, which handles moisture better than many other leathers and stays flexible even after getting wet and drying out again. Reinforced patches in high wear areas boost durability, so the gloves can withstand frequent grabs, falls, and general abuse over a long season. Inside, you get a thermal lining designed to trap heat and keep your hands comfortable in cold air, especially during all-day sessions. Strong stitching with heavy-duty thread helps prevent seams from blowing out under stress, which is important if you use the same pair for both riding and work. The cuff design lets you either tuck your jacket sleeve inside the glove or pull it over the cuff, depending on how you like to manage snow entry and ventilation. Many users also add wax or waterproof treatment, often included or recommended, to increase water resistance, turning these into an even more capable option for wet snow days. Finally, at number 5, we've got the Handlandy Insulated Snow Glove. This glove is built as a versatile, do-it-all winter option for people who split time between riding, shoveling, and general cold weather tasks. A waterproof insert between the shell and the inner liner helps keep snow, slush, and light rain from soaking through, making it suitable for everything from resort days to driveway duty. The insulation provides solid warmth without making the glove overly bulky, so you can still grip tools, poles, or your board edge with reasonable control. Reinforced areas on the palm and fingertips improve both durability and grip, especially useful when you're handling gear in icy or wet conditions. Touchscreen-capable tips on select fingers let you briefly check your phone or adjust settings without fully exposing your hands to the cold. Pull tabs and adjustable closures make it quick to tighten the cuffs, helping seal out drafts and blowing snow. And that wraps up the top 5 best snowboard gloves. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to HypeTech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.